Hello, what's up YouTube students? You're welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a strategy that you can use in trading the financial market right now and also make profit with this strategy. But all I want you guys to do for me is just to subscribe to this channel. If you have any question or you have any comment to share, please let me know down there in the comment section. Please share your idea, share your thought, what you think about this strategy in the comment section. So to actually start with this strategy, the first thing you need to do is to add in this indicator known as the alligator. I know that you have heard a lot about indicators. Most people have told you guys that for you to be a successful trader, you don't actually need any indicator. But guys, let me tell you the truth. If you have an indicator that works well with your system, works exactly the way that you want it to work, or you have an indicator that actually shows you confidence, or actually gives you confirmation for you to jump into a trade, you can add that indicator to your chart and you can actually trade it. Just like this alligator right now. I actually trade this alligator and I'm going to show you guys how I actually find trades with this alligator, but I don't use it every time. It's mostly for trades that I'm not sure. Right, I'm going to add in this alligator and it's actually going to show me confirmation whether I'm to jump in for the trade or not. So in order for you to do this, all you need to do is to come over to your MT5 or your MetaTrader 4. Click on this button right here, which is to add indicator. That's the button you're going to click on. Now once I click on that button, as you guys can see, you now click on this. Okay, you're going to click on this arrow button. I know that most of us know how to do this, but let me just do this for the sake of beginners. Now you scroll all the way down and then you look for the alligator indicator. Now here's the alligator indicator. That's what we are going to click on, right? So when I click on the alligator, look at how it's going to show. Now all you want is to actually increase the pixel to 4. Normally it's going to be showing 2 pixels, but you have to move it to 4 and then move this green one to also 4. So after doing that, your indicator is set. Now I'm going to show you guys how to actually trade with this indicator. But before, guys, I want you guys to actually join my Telegram group. The link is gonna be in the description box. In my Telegram group, I share a lot of my trading signals. I also share signals, my trading setup, also tips on how to actually become profitable as a trader. So you guys can see I actually sent a signal right here. So guys, you need to join this Telegram group. The link is gonna be in the description box. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into this video. And this is also a reminder that I'm actually up with my mentorship. I'm actually accepting students into my mentorship. If you're a new beginner trader and you actually want to learn Forex, if you're a new beginner trader and you want to learn Forex trading from scratch, you can actually hit me up on Telegram or you can hit me up on Instagram. The links are gonna be in the description box of this video. My mentorship is actually affordable and anybody can afford it. So let's get straight into the video. So as I told you guys, all you just need is just this alligator indicator. Now what you need to do is just to wait for the market. Whenever I see this green line cross over this red line, know that the market is selling. Whenever I see this green line go against this red line, go up with this red line, that's when you should be looking out for buys. Now look at this, guys. This green and alligator line crossed over this red alligator line, and look at it. This is when the market told you to sell. If you sell from this point, it would have give you a lot of profit. So guys, I will actually advise you this indicator when you're trading small accounts that you can lose, because this indicator actually lag. Right, this indicator is not 100% correct. Right, it actually has its own failures. Right, this indicator also fails, but most of times it actually works. Now let me share with you guys this other one. Now look at, guys, the indicator, the green one actually passed the red one here, and look at the market sold all the way down. Now look at this, guys. This green one actually passed over this red one and the market sold all the way up. Guys, not because I'm telling you this, you just jump in adding this alligator indicator, and then when you start losing, you say that this SavvyFX told you, Glory just told you that you should do this. No, you have to back test it. If it works for you, fine. If it doesn't work for you, then just leave it and then look for a system or look for something else that actually works for you. But for me, I don't just trade with only this alligator indicator confirmation. Like I said, I actually use this indicator for confirmation, or when I'm trading little account that I know that I can afford to lose that account, maybe I can use this alligator indicator. Now look at this, guys. The market actually caused the green line, the green one actually caused the red one and then the market sold all the way down. Look at this, the green one caused the red one and the market sold all the way down. The green one caused the red one and then the market sold all the way up. The green one caused the red one, the red line, and then the market sold all the way down. But guys, it's not every time. Look at this, guys. Look at where the market lag. Look at this. The green line passed the red line if you can look in closely here, but the market didn't sell. Instead, the green line spiked all the way up before it came down again. A lot of people look out to sell. They'll just sell a little and then the green line passed over the red line again. So guys, I'm not telling you because this is actually working. I tell you, just jump in and start using it. No, you have to back test it on the currency pairs that you trade. If it works for you, fine. Just like I said, if it doesn't work for you, look for another one or look for another system that will work for you. Is to become a profitable trader, you don't actually need these indicators, right? But if you know that these indicators work with your system, like you can use these indicators then for your confirmation, right? You can just add them to actually make your confirmation look thick and more better. So guys, that's the way I do. It's not that once the green line is passing the red line or this or that, I'll just jump in carelessly. No, I need to wait for other confluences and other confirmation before I jump into the trade. And at times my charts are actually clean. I don't actually love adding this alligator indicator to my chart. It's only when I actually need it for confirmation, and then I'll add it to my chart. So guys, go and back test it. If you know that it actually works for you, please let me know down there in the comment section. Back test is very important. Back testing is very important. Know whether it is gonna work for you or it's not gonna work for you. Go over to previous data and check this for yourself. Check it by yourself. If it's working for you, fine, you can start using it. But if it doesn't work for you, guys, look for something else that works for you. I hope you actually got value